So I'm back at the paint place that I went to over the winter, and I got this unit defrosting. Sorry about that. At the end of January. Gotta make this quicker. That's the data. That's the whole sweaty. And that paint that had that broken fair blade finally got fixed. Here it is. Started like crap. Paint lives. Ice cold sweat. Look. Later. Pain lives. Here's this other pain. Lock. Here's the data. That's the next one. I'm not gonna spend too much time on these units. Just last couple times I made the videos here super duper long. Here's this paint teardrop, which has a Bristol compressor. I don't know if it's been running. And here's this paint right here, which I tried to get it starting up, but I missed it last time. It has been running. It's from 2017. And I thought this Goodman was a straight cool unit last time, but I finally found out that it is a heat pump. Yep. Copeland reciprocating compressor. Doesn't run. There's the data. Here's a Black Quantum Plus with a Copeland reciprocating. Sounds amazing. Fucking great. 2001. And here's a Brand Century, which is surprisingly not running. Oh, and it has not been running. That's weird. It's from 2019. And here's this Nordheim, which I got starting up. It has also not been running. There's the data. Okay. Last two units here. Finally finished the video. Here's this pane with his heat pump. All heat pumps I got, except from that paint teardrop. That's the only straight cool unit here. And this is from 2019. And this one's from 2011. Couple scroll. It's also a heat pump. That's that. Alright. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over now.